and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tanya and I'm an independent beauty consultant with Mary Kay Cosmetics. I am coming to you guys on this Saturday morning to do an updated skincare routine. So in a previous video, I showed you guys my updated morning or my morning routine, which was with the TimeWise Age Minimizing 3D set. But since then, I have decided to change my regimen. And so my regimen now is the TimeWise Volu-Firm Repair Set. And let me show you that set. The set comes like this in this beautiful, beautiful, amazing box that Mary Kay sends my customers. It comes with the cleanser, a lifting serum. It comes with a day cream and a night cream, which includes retinol. It also comes with the most famous renewing eye cream. And so this is the set that I use. And this set that I'm showing you is mine. So I normally will take items out of this set as needed, and so I already have a few of those items here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my cleanser, and what I have is the TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm Foaming Cleanser. This is a foaming cleanser, and I really like it. So it hydrates and it improves dull skin and it cleanses deeply. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with the cleansing. What I'm going to do is put a little bit of the cleanser onto my brush here. And this is Mary Kay's cleansing brush. So a lot of times I use my cleansing brush, especially when I have had makeup on for the day. And then sometime when I just want a deep clean on my face, I'll use it on the weekend, because when you cleanse your face with your hands, it doesn't really get deeply down into your skin. So this is a good way to cleanse it. So I am cleansing my face right now. This brush has a timer that's set for 60 seconds. So I am cleaning my face and getting all of the dirt and removing all of the oil. Amazing brush, deep cleansing brush with 2 brush heads, additional brush heads that you can purchase. It has a timer on it, so it does, stop when you're done, when it's enough done on cleaning your face. So now once I get this off my face, we will go into the next step that I use. I have some add-on products that I also use in the morning time that does not come with this particular set. It's just some extra things that I do to ensure that I'm getting clean, beautiful, healthy skin. That's what my channel is about, is making sure that everybody has that nice, beautiful, healthy looking, amazing skin. So that was the foaming cleanser. And so now I'm going to go in with an add-on product that I use. And one of the things that I use is the ClearProof Blemish Control Toner. Now this ClearProof comes in one of our other sets, and the reason I use the ClearProof is because I have oily skin. So in the T-zone area of my face is really oily. So this removes the shine from your face, and it also helps with blemishes. And I do have a few breakouts here and there monthly, so this also helps with the blemishes. So I always use this toner for myself. So I always take a little bit of it and I just kind of hit the perimeter of my face, or the inner part of my face, where I produce more oil. And so I usually just take that on a cotton round, and I'm out of my cotton round. So I just take it with my towel and just kind of hit the perimeter of my face. So the next product I use, and like I said, I had a few add-ons here. And so with this set, one thing I like about Mary Kay Cosmetics products is that you can use other items with this that's made by Mary Kay Cosmetics. So I also struggle with pores. And I don't know if you can tell, but in my nose here, I have large pores. So what I do is I use a deep cleaning charcoal mask to pull all the stuff out of my pores, but I also use a pore minimizer on my face so that I can hide those pores. It minimizes this, they make them look smaller. And this is the bottle that it comes in. It's a pore minimizer, and it comes with another product. So it's a exfoliating product that it comes with, and it comes in a set. So I use both when I'm wanting to exfoliate, which I usually exfoliate maybe 1 to 2 times during the week. I'll use that along with my cleanser. But everyday use, I use the pore minimizer, and it is the TimeWise. And so I take the pore minimizer and I hit right in the area where I struggle with the pores. So kind of down the bridge of my nose, right at the top of my cheeks, and right along my chin area, you can see kind of where my pores are. So I use this every day for that. And it does go well underneath your makeup. If you're concerned about that, it does go well underneath your makeup. Then I also have one more item that I use, and it's an add-on as well, and it's the Replenishing Serum C and E. So if you know, for your face, vitamin C and E is good. And one of the things that vitamin C does is it gives you that brightening effect to your face. So it's a great product or a great serum to use on your face. So along with the pore minimizer, I always use my vitamin C, and that only helps to just brighten the skin. So now I go into the rest of the regimen that comes with the TimeWise Volu-Firm Repair Set, which is what we have left. Since it is my morning routine and it is daytime, I go ahead and I use my day serum, and then I use my eye cream. So if you want to make this step really simple and easy, you have your cleanser, you have your day cream, you have your eye cream. It also comes with the lifting serum, and most of the time I use my lifting serum at night, and I don't always use it in the daytime with this set. So the only products that I use, or you can use to make your routine really simple and easy, is the cleanser, the day cream, and the eye cream. And then if you did this at night, you would do the cleanser, the night cream, and the eye cream. A simple step, something easy. So then I take my eye cream as the last step, and I do place that underneath my eye. Now, another thing that I did not tell you guys in a video is that with this eye cream, it comes with this little roller ball on the end where that you place the product underneath your eye, and you just take a few drops underneath your eye, and you can take this roller ball. It is cooling to the eye. It's really, really cool. As I'm putting it on now, it is so cool. So you take that and you rub that along your eye bone and underneath that eye to get that eye cream all the way in your eye. And like I say, I use the eye cream because it targets the darkness underneath your eye. It also helps with fine lines. It also helps with deep lines, and it also helps with puffiness because this little roller application will depuff the eye if that eye is puffy in the morning. So with the night cream, also with the day cream, it comes in a container. It has a little pump on the top, so you pump the product right out of the tube, and you just dab a little bit at the four corners. Now make sure, ladies, you do not, or gentlemen, forget the neck area. As we begin to age, we begin to wrinkle there, so you want to make sure you include your neck and rub your product up, along the face. Now this has a SPF in it, and it has a SPF of 30 in here, so it has a good amount of SPFs. Now some people, I have found that FPS does not work well with their skin, and if that is the case with you guys, you can always supplement something else other than this day cream. You can do maybe the TimeWise Age Minimize moisturizer that has SPF, but we have one without SPS. We also have a anti-aging moisturizer that you can pair with this set. So say for instance that you love the TimeWise Repair Set, but that SPF in that product or that retinol in that product doesn't fare. We always have things that we can switch out for you. So you just have to talk to your beauty consultant, and you guys can decide what you really need and what fits best for you. Well, that was the last step in my updated morning routine. And so, like I said, it's something simple, it's something easy. I do masking in between. It just all depends what you like to do on a self-care Saturday or a self-care Sunday. So I'm going to list a few videos up in the cards so that you can check out. And what I need you guys to do for me, please, 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 like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload, because I enjoy doing this. I'm passionate about it, and I will be continuing these videos. So you guys have an awesome and amazing morning.